So I figured the first time would probably result in spilled milk. So, we're not crying over spilled milk, huh, Georgia? Because you're doing good otherwise. We've got that much so far. It's a bit dirty, but with practice, we'll get better. The babies sure did miss their mama. It's the cutest thing in the world. You're such a good mama. I don't have anything for you. Go away. Alright, let's go back. Come on. Just got done milking today. This is my favorite part. Putting the babies back with their mama so that she can feed them. Hi, cute little baby. Look, I got your food. I got your food, guys. Are you hungry? You're not supposed to get in the food bowl. Silly little baby. There's 7 of these guys, and all 7 of them have made it this far from birth, and they are a month old now. I still think it's so funny how some of them have crimpy hair from their dad being a Rex rabbit, and their mom just looks like this little smooth coat one. That one's got the Rex kind of type of fur. Hi guys. You're cute. You're pretty. You're cute too. Look at those eggs. Are you gonna start laying eggs soon? Huh?